Okay, guys, we're going to be doing some pieces of zero carb bread, and we're going to be trying each one of these flavors. And they all say sugar-free, fat-free, calorie-free. Walden Farms. This is part 2. You waited, yesterday we did the sauces. Today we're doing the dessert toppings, okay? I don't know why I'm sampling it on bread. Normally you put it on ice cream, but I don't eat ice cream. So zero carb bread's safe for me right now. So we're going to just use this as kind of like strawberry shortcake or some sort of pastry or dessert or something. All right? So let's give each one of these a try. All right, guys, we cracked them open. Look at this. This one looks kind of strawberry. Looks good. It's got a little bit of water collecting. You expect that because it's been sitting out for a little bit. This looks really good. This looks like cranberry sauce. That's what it looks like. This is the raspberry fruit spread. All right. Here's the marshmallow one. Kind of looks like marshmallow if you shake it. Chocolate. Looks like chocolate pudding if you shake it. And then this one, caramel. A little loose for caramel, but we'll see how that is. They've been sitting out for a day on the counter, so they're at room temperature right now. But these would be a lot thicker if they were cold, okay? So let's get the bread and try it out. Okay, so my lovely bride is joining me on the taste test because this is more her category, the dessert part of it. I'm not a big dessert guy, but I'll let you know if it tastes good too, all right? I really like the look of this strawberry one, and I really like the look of, which one you like the look of? The chocolate one looks good.
Oh, the raspberry.
Really? Mm-hmm. Oh, she's getting all ready. You can see her. All right, let's try the strawberry first. They're all on a square bread. That's amazing. That's really good. You like it?
No, it's got a little aftertaste, but it tastes good.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting a slight hint of an aftertaste, but initially it really hit you hard. So it's just a slight, little bit of an aftertaste on the strawberry. Let's try the raspberry, which is Tammy's favorite, by the way. It's okay.
It's okay.
Not great.
No.
That tasted better.
No.
No?
This has less of an aftertaste. Like, I can't taste the aftertaste, but it's just, I don't know.
All right. So I like the strawberry better. She likes the raspberry better so far. Let's try the marshmallow. You ready?
It's going to be my least favorite. Oh, that's really good.
That's not bad.
That almost tastes like frosting.
Yeah. No lie, that marshmallow is really good, guys. So would you say so far the marshmallow is the best?
Mm-hmm. It
Yeah.
tastes like frosting.
That was a surprise.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, what a surprise the marshmallow was. Here we go. Ugh.
No.
That's
Don't like
awful.
That. Don't like that.
The chocolate tastes horrible.
No. No.
Oh,
No.
she's spitting it out. I don't know if I'm going to swallow this either. Where can I spit this? Oh.
That's horrible. Jerry, swallow it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's try this again.
Makes me nervous for the caramel.
All right, guys, so chocolate is literally not good.
No go.
No chocolate. All right. Here we go. That's awful, too.
Yeah, you've got to taste. It
Choc-
tastes good. Oh, it tastes good at first, but then...
Then it gets
Yeah.
weird. Yeah. All right, chocolate's the worst. I think the marshmallow's the best.
Yeah.
Ironically, chocolate's the worst, marshmallow's the best, caramel is not good, strawberry has a little bit of an aftertaste, and so does raspberry. They're trying to make a no-calorie, sugar-free, calorie-free, all that.
But I'm sure if you had these with like peanut butter and jelly,
Yeah, or the pancake like it from Profile. Put it on the top of the pancake.
might be good.
Little butter. Probably would be good. We're just warning you, don't get the chocolate. don't get the caramel. You might like the other ones. Marshmallow wins. Who would have thought, huh? Well, there you go. Those are your top sauces and dessert toppings from Walden Farms. And we will see you guys on the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.